You want to add details or damage to your 3D object in Blender. Making this manually consume more time, so does why One Click Damage is here. First let's start with cube. What you need, just press the Make Damage button. We have scale, which is used to scale the noise input. Amount is used to add more depth to the damage. Let's check the noise type. Musgrave. Musgrave is used to generate highly flexible fractal noise texture. Marble is used to generate marble-like noise with wave-generated bands. Voronoi to create cell-like patterns. When you are happy, you can click on Apply. Recall to reset it the original state. Make Damage again will use the previous settings. Change Patterns will change the OCD patterns, but the size and the resolution will be kept. You can hold Ctrl and click on the recall to recall the original object, then keep this one. Now let's try this one too. Now let's increase the amount of details. On Texture Properties, select the OCD texture. Now you have a lot controls over here. Now let's try the image or movie texture. This one you can use your one custom image or video clip as texture. Click on Open, then select your image. Now you can adjust the settings. Now let's see this 4 cube. Let's select one of them. Make Damage. Now you can select the others, then click on Make Dame. This will use the first selected one settings to the set the others using it resolution. Now you can select all of the and click on Recall to bring the original one. You can also use the Change Patterns to change it. You can select all of them, then click on Make Damage to apply the first one settings to the others. You can also select individual of them and change the pattern. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment for more videos.